Hey y'all, it's Angelica Monyae and I'm back with a makeup tutorial. Well, I'm here again with a makeup tutorial. Basically, I'm just concealing her brows. I already filled them in. In the next video, you're going to see me basically doing the same thing. First, on the brow bone, I use a lighter color. Then going towards her nose area, I will use a darker color. Now, I am just blending concealer towards her eye area. So it could just give you that transitioning look. Now, basically, I'm doing the same thing that I just told you guys and demonstrated in the first video. I'm concealing her brows. Okay, you guys, I am using the primer to prime her eyelids for the eyeshadow and the glitter look that I'm supposed to achieve. Next, I am using the Watch Me Blush makeup palette from the crayon case as her transitioning shade. For this makeup look, I am using the Watch Me blush from the crayon case to achieve this look, and that was the cranberry color that I use as the transitioning shade. Now I'm going in with my taper brush to blend everything out and blend them harsh lines so it won't look so harsh. That's the palette, you guys. Okay, so boom, next I'm gonna go on the same eye and do the same exact thing that I said before, using the cranberry shade as a transitional color. I'm dipping that look so it could give you that dimension and that shape. And I'm making sure everything is even. On that, I'm using my Ruby Kisses eyeshadow brush to, achieve the look. Next, this is my favorite part, blending. Blend, 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 blend. Sorry, I did not apply the video that supposed to have been applied to the tutorial because it was hard to do that with the glitter and all that. Basically, I already highlighted and blending her highlighter and concealer. And I'm just blending her foundation in all together with the concealer. I applied the concealer first, highlighted first, and then applied the foundation. It's just a new technique I seen. I wanted to try it out, and it kind of came out good. Y'all see that? Do y'all see that cut crease? So, boom. Sorry, her cap is pushed back, but yeah, I did that makeup. So basically, I am just blending and setting her under eye concealer, which is known as the highlight. Then next, I am gonna go in with my Morphe Jacqueline Hill palette brown to use as a contour shade because I just want to try something different. Yeah, I use my Real Technique bluffing brush. I don't know exact number, but it's just a bluffing brush, all purposes. And then I am contouring her nose to make it, snatched. And here is the completed look. We're about to fix her hair and pull that wig up because, baby, yeah. I'm setting her face with my setting spray. She is using her own personal lip gloss that she brought, her own color, and I am basically setting her brows with my brow gel from e.l.f. And you see she feeling it already. Girl, get the fuck off Instagram. I'm not even done yet. You got one lash on. So yeah, after she did all that, she finally let me put this lash on, finished her face. Next, I am going to outline her lip, which, you know, the outline of her lip with a brown color. She's going to use her own bubblegum pink lip gloss to add on. Yeah, she feeling it. Easy. Tap, tap. Well, this is the completed look. As y'all can tell, the smile on her face, she loved this look. She just told me she wanted something glittery and popping. So boom, there it is. Thank you for watching.